Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Open morals. Good morning. What Rishita is doing? Smiling, laughing, alone. Together. Right? So, two chapters which are coming in morals are the curse of anger and a different Diwali. We are going to discuss. We have already studied the lesson, both the chapters, and we are going to have a quick revision of both of them. Plus, I must tell you that moral science exam will be on Google Form as it was in half yearly. In the same manner, the moral science exam this time also you are going to do it on Google Form, and there will be MCQs type question. MCQs type question means multiple choice questions will be there. And make sure in multiple choice questions are not very easy. Why? Because very close options are given and you will be able to check the correct option only when you have read the lesson, only when the story is clear to you, only when the concepts and chapter is clear to you. All right. So don't think that when multiple choice of questions will come, then the paper will be very easy. No, you cannot escape from the hard work. Means you have to read the lesson, you have to understand the story, you should know all the small and big points in the lesson, all right, for your moral science exams. All right, now what type of questions will come, let's discuss. For example, curse of anger. Curse of anger, you should know what are the characters in the story. Ravi was there, and a different Diwali. What were the characters? Little girl Drishti was there, then the poor boy Ramu was there. So, what type of questions will come like this? Compassion means feeling the pain of others or being selfish. Compassion means feeling the pain of others. Then the girl wanted money to buy what? What did the girl wanted money for? To buy crackers or to go in the circus? She wanted money to buy crackers. Yes. Then, what was the name of the poor boy? What was the name of the poor boy in the lesson? The poor Ramu. Very good. Very good. While passing through the road, Drishti saw a poor boy who was very shabbily dressed up or very nicely dressed up. Shabbily dressed up. Shabbily. Why? Because the boy was very poor. Okay. Where did Drishti took the boy with her? To buy new clothes or to watch, to go and see the circus? To buy new clothes for him. Yes? No. Yes. So these type of small questions from in between the chapters will come. Similarly, did Drishti got scolded from her mother for buying clothes for Ramu? Yes or no? Did Drishti got scolding from mother for buying clothes? No, she did not get scolding. She did not get scolding. Mother did not scolded her. Mother said, okay, you have done a very good thing. If you have helped the poor, you have done a very good thing. Okay. Was the girl happy helping the poor boy? Was Drishti happy helping the poor boy? Yes, she was very happy. Yes. Now, yes. So, if I say I love throwing stones at the stray dogs, yes or no? Do you love throwing stones at stray dogs? No. So answer will be no. Now, if I say I treat my housemaid badly, do you treat your housemaid badly? Yes or no? No. Okay. Similarly, such type of how much money did mother gave Drishti? How much money? 500 rupees. Yes. Yes. Now come on to another chapter. Curse of anger. Come on to another chapter. Curse of anger. Curse of anger. Now here the characters are Ravi, principal, and his father, Mr. Saxena. Now Ravi was angry boy or a humble boy? Angry boy. He used to get angry. Yes. And what did Ravi's father ask him to do while getting angry? While getting angry, Ravi's father asked him to hammer a nail in the fence. Hammer a nail. Did he ask Ravi to hammer a nail or he asked Ravi to go and eat ice cream whenever he gets angry? Who is saying who is saying his father said to go and eat ice cream whenever you get angry? Who is saying that? Did his father ask him to go and eat ice cream whenever you get angry or to hammer a nail in the wall? Hammer a nail in the wall. Yes. Then is getting angry a good habit? Is getting angry a good habit? No, it is not a good habit at all. I get annoyed at my friends every now and then. Yes or no? I get annoyed to my friends every now and then. No. Okay. Anger, anger destroys your personality. Yes or no? Anger destroys your personality. Yes, it destroys. Anger must be channelized into a positive energy. Yes or no? Yes, anger must be channelized. We should channelize means we should divert our anger into some positive thing or something that give us happiness. Positive and happy nature people are always cherished by all. Yes or no? Means positive and happy nature people are loved by all. Angry people are loved by all or happy people are loved by all? Happy people. Happy people. So the question is saying positive and happy, positive and happy nature people are cherished. Cherished means loved. Are cherished by all. True. Positive and happy nature people are cherished by all. Should we make fun of others? Should we make fun of others and get angry from them? No. What does a different Diwali teach us? A different Diwali teach us to be helpful to others or to be selfish? To be helpful to others. Anger is a curse, yes or no? Anger is a curse, yes or no? Yes, it is a curse. So, have you understood the pattern how the paper will come? Make sure The paper will consist of small questions from in between the lesson. So only two chapters are there. So make sure you read both the chapters very thoroughly. Okay? Each and every detail should be clear to you. Yes. Ask any query or doubt if you have. 25 questions. Paper will be of 50 marks. 25 questions will be there. Total. Total 25 questions, 50 marks paper. Who is talking in Hindi? Don't use Hindi language in my class. Don't use Hindi language. Now, is everything clear? You have to read both the lessons. You have to go through the exercises which are given at the back of the chapter. Plus, make sure you go through each and every detail which is given in the lesson. Story should be clear to you very nicely. And the characters and what they have done in the case. Okay, so this is a kind of revision that we have done of moral science before exams. If you have any doubt or query related to moral science, please ask just now because after that we are not going to take moral class. Speak loudly. Rishita is asking. Yes, Rishita. Yes, Rishita, ask. We are talking about moral science right now. Morals, any doubt? No? Hmm? No doubt? Will you all be able to prepare the lesson very carefully, thoroughly? Will you read the lesson twice, thrice, 5 times, 10 times until all the details are clear? Yes? Okay then. Listen.